Hello there. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to, you know, turn on hex volume in OpenMPT. Here I already have OpenMPT open, but here's all you need to do. See how the volume is in hex? Look at here. The volume column is normally in decimal, but you can turn on hex volume column in OpenMPT. All you have to do is go to setup, go to advanced, and check hex volume column. Here you go. You can see I already have it turned on. But that's not enough. See, when you turn on hex volume column, you can't just use it right away. You actually have to go to keyboard and go to pattern editor volume column and set all the digits for A to F. But that's not all. Once you set the digits for A to F, you need to set the assigned keys for the volume commands. There's volume slide up, volume slide down, volume find volume slide up, find volume slide down, and portamento up and portamento down. You need to set these to any keys that you want. Yeah, this means that once you turn on hex volume column, you can't just use it right away because you have to set all of these keys and set all of these keys. The set volume digit A to F, and then set volume command volume slide down to portamento down. That's it, really. That's all you need to do. Alright, bye.